unusual to have found anymore. When I see you hanging around anymore, it's nothing usual to see me crying. I wanna die. It's nothing usual to go out anytime, but when I see you, there's no doubt that you're crying. If you should ever want to be alone with anyone, it's nothing usual, it happens every day. No matter what we say, you find it's happy all the time. All we never do, all we wanna do, but can this crazy love be more? Nothing usual to do.
Gracias. Segundo